All right, looks like we are live now. So let us get this started. Awesome. So good evening, everyone, and welcome back to yet another session of AI Horizons, turning intelligence into impact, powered by Aeologic Technologies. I am Jubin. I'll be your moderator for today's webinar. Over the past 9 sessions, we have explored how AI is transforming everything from SQL automation, vector databases, and RAG pipelines to governance, computer vision, voice agents, and smart design workflows. But today, we move into a space that sits at the heart of manufacturing, logistics, retail, supply chain, and physical operations. A space that touches every product, every inventory movement, and every real world asset. So, our today's topic is AIDC and AI, the smart automation upgrade. So, if you talk about AIDC, it's generally called as automatic identification and data capture. This includes the technologies that allows businesses to track, trace, identify, and verify assets in barcodes, QR codes, RFID, IoT sensors, OCR, computer vision, and more. But the shift is happening in 2025 as we are closing down and coming towards 2026 is that AI is now no longer just an add-on. AI is becoming intelligence layer on top of AIDC, turning raw scans, tags, sensor data into actionable automation. So to decode this transformation, how it works, we have someone who lives and breathes automation and AIDC solutions together. Please join me in welcoming Gaurav Mohan, Techno Commercial Manager at Aeologic Technologies. Gaurav has worked closely with large companies and enterprises on RFID-based warehouse automation, barcode and scanner workflow automation, IoT-based asset tracking, supply chain visibility solutions, smart manufacturing systems, and many more. He's been instrumental in helping clients modernize their operations with the right mix of hardware, software, and AI. Gaurav, great to have you with us today.
Thank you, Jubin. Hi, everyone. I'm excited to be here. So AIDC is the one most underestimated, most powerful part of enterprise automation. And when AI layered on the top of AIDC, businesses can unlock accuracy, visibility, and speech that simply wasn't possible before. For automated inventory count, predictive maintenance, AI plus AIDC is transforming ground operation in a very real, very scalable way. Looking forward to sharing some practical insight today.
So let's get started. Gaurav, for people who know AIDC only as barcodes, what does AI and where does AI fit into this picture?
Great question. AIDC is have its full ecosystem, which include the barcode scanner, which could be a 1D or 2D, RFID scanners, which could be a UHF, HF, and NFC, IoT sensors, Bluetooth beacons, OCR and document scanning, computer vision based on identification. Earlier, AIDC captured data. Today, AI turned that data into intelligence. For example, AI can detect misscan instantly. AI can validate whether RFID read in real uh, or have some noise. AI can cross-check whether product is correctly placed in itself or not. AI detect damage goods using computer vision. AI can clean up duplicate RFID reads. AI can turn sensor data into predictions. So AIDC is no longer stops at identification. AI upgrade it into accuracy, automation, and decision making.
Working with logistics, some of the challenges that you face with AIDC.
So, Zubin, there's many challenges which are extremely real and widespread. some of the are
Mhm.
on the ground. First, you can say that inventory errors. So, scanning or scanning could lead to the wrong SQA, miss-scan, or inconsistent updates. AI can detect anomalies and prevent incorrect entries. Second is poor visibilities. Teams doesn't know real-time stock asset location or movement patterns. RFID AI dashboard fix that instantly. And third is slow operations. Manual barcode scanning is slow and repetitive. So RFID plus AI event filtering speed this massively. Fourth is fake, duplicate, and noisy reads, such as some can generate false positives. So AI can clean duplicates and validate every read. Fifth is high level dependency. So in manual scanning, we need the manpower to do the inventory count, dispatch, verification, quality check, and all that. Computer vision plus AI can solve this using automation deductions. So the shift is simple. AIDC captures that is happening. AI explains, validate, predicts, and what will happen next.
Awesome. Great. So, next question regarding, when companies ask that should we use RFID or computer vision or stick to barcodes, how do you help them choose?
So basically, barcode is something which is cheaper, but in have we need to do manual scanning, reliable but slow, ideal for small or retail stores or basic scanning. RFID is basically used for bulk scanning, no line of sight, high speed for inventory management and all that, ideal for warehouse manufacturing and logistics. Computer vision do not have to need text. It had rich insights, de- uh, detect defects, count item, verify placement, either for QC, softness, and count verifications. Then we have IoT sensors, which send us real-time telemetry, which can verify temperature, humidity, movement, which is ideal for cold chain and asset monitoring. So
Got
now,
it. Got it.
yeah, so AI can combine
So,
this
yeah.
technology
Mhm.
for hybrid setup of like RFID plus vision, barcode plus AI for error correction, vision plus OCR, RFID plus IoT sensor. So AI become the decision brain choosing the best signal among all inputs.
Got it. Got it. Great. So now let's move on to, what is the impact of AIDC with AI, right? So let's talk about impact. How and what does smart automation actually look like on the ground? Can you explain this more?
Yes, surely. The automated inbound scanning, RFID plus AI auto register all incoming goods, auto verification at dispatch, AI flag mismatched orders or missing SKUs, real time asset tracking, that's what show exactly where asset is placed, zero touch stock audit, RFID plus AI does wall to wall counting in a minute, computer vision QC, AI identify the damage of product instantly. Predictive alerts based on AI model, team gets alert for low stock, unusual movement, equipment failure, temperature deviations, and all that. This is how AIDC becomes the self-running and operational layer.
Got it. Got it. So now, Gaurav, let's think about or explain about a demo where you can explain about a solution that you provided, right? Recently you worked with an organization, so tell us about that, and I'll share the slides where you have given us the workflow. Maybe you can start with what the problem was, and then I'll be sharing the screen with these slides.
So definitely. So we recently worked with the so-called very much renowned company in forming industry, which is Silicom, or you can
Mhm.
identify him with the name of uh, Slipware mattresses. So they are
Right.
pioneer in making a form for all the companies, and they are they have multiple operations in India and abroad.
Mhm.
So they had the problem with what they are facing is that when they do the forming for their forms, and after forming, they need when the product is out, so there was some chemical compositions go on,
Mhm.
which needs to be get rested for minimum 16 hours to 48 hours. Before that, if someone picks up that block will be the huge, you can say 60 feet to 70 feet. So when crane grabs it and pick it up, if the combustion or chemical composition is going on, they will get destroyed, or they destroyed the whole 60 feet log of form,
Right.
due to which they may face very much loss in their productions and operations. So, with
Right.
the help of RFID and AI, provide them the solution for which
Mhm.
for that we will connect it uh, with their Oracle system. When the forming came out from the forming machine, we fix the RFID sticker on that. Uh, so sticker had the RFID chip in it. So
Mhm.
they had all their details. So the grade of form, color of form, and curing your forming time and curing time. So
Right.
once as you can see in the diagram, so when
Right.
the form came from the forming unit, they came to the form curing area.
Mhm.
The clean, so we from the RFID printer, we fill the details of the form and
Right.
fix the sticker on the form. After that,
Mhm.
if we have installed the RFID reader on the crane also,
Okay.
and in the forming section, so they had the two cranes. So we have
Mhm.
installed the RFID reader on the two cranes,
Right.
and we on every crane there is the tablet which had developed application, Android application installed. So
Mhm.
every time when crane came to grab that form log, the reader read the sticker and give the alarm that this form is cured or not. If this is not cured, they generate the alarm, their routers will run on, and
Right.
on the tablet they get the notification that this form is not cured, or
Right.
there will be need some more time to be get cured. So after that, they left that form to the curing area. Whichever
Mhm.
form is cured, they pick up that block of and send it to the form trimming area for the matrices or other forming uses.
Right.
Also, as we had the identification of that form block, so
Mhm.
they had the asset management that where is that form is placed in that area, because
Right.
they have a half a kilometer of resting area. whereas
Hmm.
hundreds of blocks are there. So
Right.
if they required any particular type of block or uh, any particular type of blocks, so they go with that RFID reader. They search that.
Hmm.
They get the alarm that this block you are searching for this block. The
Right.
crane came and pick up that block and cut for the further send to the cutting area for the further use.
Got it. Got it. So Aeologic built a solution with AIDC and AI,
Yeah.
and just to make it more understandable for the viewers, right? So the problem statement which they had was the foams are a chemical process with which the foam is created, and it needs a specific curing time, and that curing time is the time when the foam is getting its shape and it is hardened. And they had the problem that sometimes the crane grabs the foam which is not cured, meaning it's not ready, and the whole 60 feet of foam is wasted. So for that,
Continuous.
we developed a solution with the help of AIDC and AI. So as Gaurav mentioned, so as soon as the foaming unit goes through the foam goes through the cutting area, the crane grabs it and keeps it in the curing area. And at the curing area, or before even that, the RFID stickers were attached, and each foam was identified with its curing time. Right? Some had 12-hour curing time, some had 16-hour curing time, based on the chemical composition, right? And whenever the crane tried to come to the curing area and try to pick up foam, they had enabled AI services and RFID systems which were raising notifications and alarm in the area, so that it notifies the workers or the crane operators who are working in that area, letting them know that, boss, this foam is not ready yet. Don't pick it up because you're going to waste it. So that was the AI implementation with RFID one that Aeologic team did. And the next one was when it is cured and the crane picks it up and puts it up in the storage area, those areas were also marked in the system, in the web dashboard that Aeologic created for the client. And when at any point of time when the client needs to pick up a particular block, so they looked at the dashboard, they knew their exact location, they checked that, and then they get their own scanner and scans the block with their scanner, and they are identified, yes, this matches the description which is required, and then they are able to get it up. So in this way, Aeologic helped them in first helping them preventing the curing thing and the foam not being wasted. And the next thing is helping them identify where in their storage unit the specific foam was left. So I think it helped in speeding up the process, while also helped them in reducing their wasting of foams, right?
Right. Right.
Great, great. So I think that is a great explanation, and definitely one of a good solutions that Team Aeologic has done in the recent past. And if anyone any one of our viewers want to have any problem statements to be taken care of, definitely reach out to Aeologic Technologies, and we will help you out. So yeah, let's move on with our current webinar, right? Gaurav, next question I have for you is regarding the results, right? What results do businesses usually see? Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, almost immediately we can see the result. So
Mhm.
warehouse operation could be 30 to 50% faster. We can lower the 60 to 70% scanning errors. We can 2x or 3x the improvement in stock accuracy, reduction in shrinkage and leakages, digitization, automated audit, faster dispatch, turnaround, real-time visibility across locations, drastic reduction in manual work. When AIDC plus AI work together, ROI is very quick and very measurable.
Awesome, great. Thanks for that, Gaurav. So now, my last question, right? If a company wants to start tomorrow with AIDC and AI, what should be their first pilot? What's the best starting point that you see?
Recommendation is that single high impact start with a single high impact workflow. Deploy a small
Mhm.
RFID or vision pilot. Add AI filtering or QC automation. Okay, measure, optimize, and scale. Integrate with ERP, WMS later, and train team step by step. So that small win create confidence, then scaling become easy.
Great. Thank you for that, Gaurav. With this, I think we are wrapping up our 10th webinar for this series. So I would like to thank Gaurav and thank you everyone for joining us today. So here's the key takeaway for today's session, right? AIDC is the backbone of any physical operations, and AI is the intelligence layer that makes those operations start smart, automated, and self-correcting. And as many of you must have already seen, Aeologic has deep expertise in RFID systems, barcode automation, computer vision, IoT integrations, predictive dashboards, and full custom development. So if your team wants to explore an AIDC plus AI pilot, we'll definitely love to collaborate. Before signing off, I would like to request our viewers to follow Aeologic Technologies on LinkedIn. We share weekly automation insight, case studies, and upcoming webinar updates. With this, I'm Jubin signing off. See you in our next AI Horizons. Thank you, everyone.
Bye, Jubi.
Thank you.